Ready to add some color to your kitchen? Dive into the world of sushi at the House of Stokes. Let's get rolling.
Okay, dip in here.
We got some rice from right over here.
So we always grab rice as the base, correct?
Yes.
Now this rice has been pre-cooked. Is it sticky rice? What kind of rice is it?
Yeah, this is sushi grade sticky rice.
Okay, so you can buy it in the store, sticky. Okay.
Yep.
And then how do you know if you're done spreading it
We're
out?
just trying to get like a uniform, somewhat thin sort of layer. We're gonna go ahead and dress the rice.
Okay, let's dress the
with
rice.
some black and white sesame seeds.
Nice. Now how much do we want to sprinkle on? I mean,
Whatever your heart desires.
oh, okay.
Okay.
My heart desires a lot. That's too much? He said my heart desires. So we just created our base. This is amazing. Now what's the next step?
Okay, so we got the crab sticks here.
Crab sticks.
There we go.
All right. So obviously we caught these crab sticks at HEB.
Fresh.
Fresh. And we just lay these down which way? Just like this. In the middle?
So I want to span the entire thing, so I'll probably just cut. Yeah.
Like do a little cut. So we're gonna have to use my knifing. Oh, can I just use the scissors?
Oh, right.
Beautiful. Boom.
Okay, so after the surimi, we'll go ahead and put a little bit of avocado.
Okay, so here. All right.
So what we'll do is we'll actually bring this to the edge of the mat.
And then roll it. It will roll.
Roll it, sister!
I'm just gonna keep rolling with it. Yeah, you know what? It's okay. I do not want to see what my roll looks like right now.
It looks good. I think it looks good.
Let's see what it looks like.
Wow! Okay. We gotta do the outside.
Okay.
We'll take the salmon piece.
Salmon piece.
Yes.
Rainbow is coming together.
Can we take a shrimp head?
Oh, sure. Let's get a shrimp. I'll give you one. Do the protein.
Yep.
We have the healthy fats in between the protein with the carbs and the seaweed, which is full of nutrients. I'm excited about this.
I'm gonna use it to form it.
Oh boy, here we go again.
Nice and tight, okay? In the middle as well.
Oh, squeeze. Let's see if mine just looks as good as yours. Da, da, da.
Oh, wow! First roll. First roll.
Rainbow roll.
Amazing.
Rainbow roll. Rainbow roll.
We have that.
Right in the middle.
Oh.
This colorful creation is a tasty way to bring Japan to your home. Thanks for joining us and happy rolling.